know our names?
Can't imagine how it matters. Come quickly, far too much to see. Just drop your coats anywhere.
Mr. Wonka, sure is toasty in here.
What? Oh yeah, I have to keep it warm in here because my workers used an extremely hot climate. They just can't stand the cold.
Who are the workers?
All in good time? No.
Mr. Wonka, I'm Violet Beauregard.
Oh,
I don't care.
Well, you should care, because I'm the girl who's gonna win the special prize at the end.
Well, you do seem confident, and confidence is key.
I'm Veruca Salt. It's very nice to meet you, sir.
I always thought a Veruca's type of what you get in the Beremo wear fit, huh?
I work at the group. I love the chocolate.
I can see that. So do I. I never expected to have so much in common. You're my TV. You're the little devil who cracked the system. And you are just lucky to be here, aren't you? And the recipe must be there.
parents.
Yeah, moms and dads.